Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the SWIFT code of the Bumiputra Commercial Bank, which is CIMB. So first of all, you need to come here on the official website of the CIMB bank. Over here, simply just use the search bar on the top. Now here you need to look for SWIFT code. Now if you are able to find any of the articles relating to the SWIFT code over here, simply just go through that article and try to get your SWIFT code. Now if this method doesn't work for you, what you can do is you can just simply try to contact to the CIMB bank's customer support team. So here simply just scroll down and click on the option of contact us. After that you are going to find the option of selecting your country. So you will have to select the country in which your CIMB bank is based in. Then you will find some of the phone numbers and the email address, so you can just directly call them, or you can even write them on their given email addresses. So whichever method you choose, you will have to basically contact to the customer support team and try to get your CIMB bank SWIFT code. Now if this find very difficult for you, you can just simply come here on bank.codes. Over here, first of all, select your country in which your CIMB bank is based in. For example, let's say it is based in Thailand. After that you will have to select your bank, which in our case is the CIMB. So once you are able to find it here, simply select your city and you will get your SWIFT code in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.